Here is the easiest way to take part in workflows in Zway. If you are designated a task inside a workflow, Zway will send you an email with a link that will take you directly to that task. If you are not already logged into Zway, you may need to log in using your normal email address and password. Here is the Zway logon URL you can use right now if you wish. Enter your email address, username and password as follows. You will then enter your Zway service. On the cover sheet, there is a link called See All of My Workflow Items. Click here. Now you can see the workflow items listed. If action is required, simply click on the item you want to complete and the form to approve, reject, add information, or take part in the task will open. In this example, the user is approving a holiday requested by one of her staff. Once the Approve button is clicked, the task is complete and it disappears from your list of workflow items. No single task takes longer than a minute in Zway. There is no easier way to manage your whole business in one place. If you don't already subscribe to Zway to manage your business, come to our website at zwayonline.com and see how you can get your life back with Zway.